going to be the dancing swan. Come on, swan, do some noise. Oh, he's going to get angry. Where's my food? The spoiled swan. He wants his food, he just makes his noise and he got his food.
Got to be fed by hand.
What, Milo?
He got to be fed by hand.
Spoily. He don't let nobody eat, but just him. He went to kill somebody from the back. This one. Hey, give me some food. Give me some food.
Yeah, I had to go get me some more of these shirts.
¿Es comfortable, Milo?
Yeah.
Y este es el cisne consentido. Cada vez que quiere... he's biting his... Baby, don't take the food from me. He's trying to kill him.
He said, I don't want this off the ground, I want it out of the bag. He must discipline him.
Spoiled swan. Ese cisne es un consentido. Cada vez que quiere comida solo hace su ruido. Give me some food. Ese swan grita, quiero comida.
Spoiled rotten.
Spoiled swan.
He's going to bite you. He's going to bite you.